abakyala pressures ze baleese ez'amaanyi, I want this, I want this, I want this. Njagala ba striking a balance, teba confusing ebintu ebibiri. Your right and your role are two different things.
Your right
and your role. You have a right to be empowered and you go and you work and you do whatever you do. But does that infringe on your role as a wife?
What is your role in the home?
Your role as a wife, oyinoka kasante abomunju yo balidde mmere. Gwengo omukyala bawo yagiguze, it's your role to make sure that this food is cooked as per the standards of this home. That is your role. Your role is to make sure that your husband is sexually satisfied as a wife. Kati tojja kudda mu bya right simanyi ng'otuuseewo awo. Awo abasajja batandise okuseseetuka ne bafuna abantu abafulfillinga role ono. Every time you skip your role, there will be someone who will fit into that role.
Hey, there's something you've spoken about, and I know that you took on another video ya Pastor Bujingo, ngayogera about the side chick. Oyine kintu kyogambye nti every time you neglect your role,
someone will step into
someone will step in
because that role is God given.